This three-story, beautiful neo-Victorian was formerly featured in Better Homes and Gardens. It has a vaulted ceiling and gas fireplace in the living room and hardwood floor on the main level. 2 bedrooms and a full bath complete the first floor. The master suite with full bath, walk-in closet, sitting area and dressing area comprises the entire second level. The skylit third floor offers flex space currently used as an office. The fully fenced lot is enhanced by a small yard and private patio.